Your computer has never actually seen a photograph. Every image, video, and text file on your device is an illusion, hiding a very boring reality. In the last video, we learned that AI works by finding patterns, but how do you do math on a photograph? Once you see the raw code behind reality, exactly how models like ChatGPT and Midjourney process the world will instantly make sense. Let's break the illusion. When you look at an image, you see colors and shapes, but a computer only understands one thing: numbers. If we zoom in close enough, the illusion breaks into tiny squares called pixels. The image is actually made of thousands of tiny squares called pixels, but it goes deeper than that. To a computer, a pixel isn't a color. It is simply a number ranging from 0 to 255. 0 is pure black, 255 is pure white. Everything in between is a shade of gray. A black and white photograph is literally just a giant spreadsheet of numbers. To create color, the computer simply stacks 3 spreadsheets on top of each other, one for red, one for green, and one for blue. By mixing different amounts of these 3 lights using numbers from 0 to 255, the computer can create over 16 million different colors. When an AI looks at an image, it isn't seeing fruit, it is analyzing a massive matrix of numbers. Let's experience this right now. Open Google's RGB color picker. I am not going to click a color, I am going to type raw math. If I set all the values to 0, all the lights are off. The reality is pure black. If I turn them all up to their absolute maximum, 255, we get pure white light. If I max out only the red value to 255 and set green and blue to 0, we get perfect red. I am changing the numbers, and the computer is changing the reality. Remember in the last video when we said the AI hunts for mathematical features like a red cluster? It isn't looking for a color. It is scanning this spreadsheet to find a cluster where the red numbers are consistently high and the green and blue numbers are low. And this exact same rule applies to text. AI doesn't speak English. When you type a word, the computer simply looks up the ID number for those characters in a massive digital dictionary. To an AI, the word apple is literally just the math equation 32, 47, 47, 43, 36. This is the OpenAI tokenizer. This is the exact tool ChatGPT uses to read. Watch what happens when I type the sentence, "Computers are dumb." It doesn't see English. It instantly chops the text into blocks and assigns an ID number to each one. ChatGPT divided this into 4 tokens, highlighted each token in a different color. To ChatGPT, the text is literally just a list of these ID numbers. Okay, we have seen images and text, but what about voice AI? Sound is just changes in air pressure. To digitize a voice, a microphone simply measures the exact height of the sound wave thousands of times a second and records a number. Go to an online tone generator. Sound is just how many times a wave vibrates per second. If I type the number 440, the speaker vibrates exactly 440 times. If I change the math to 880, the pitch instantly goes up. The AI isn't hearing a voice, it is reading these frequency numbers. Images, text, sound. To a machine, the entire universe is just a giant spreadsheet. Don't take my word for it. The links to all 3 of these tools are in the description. Go type in some math and experience how an AI processes reality for yourself. But this creates a massive new problem. If an AI is looking at millions of numbers at the exact same time, how does it know which numbers are actually important? How does it know the red pixels matter, but the background doesn't? To solve this, AI uses a massive set of invisible volume knobs, and that is exactly what we're going to build in the next video.